Hi, thank you so much for taking out your time and watching my video. My name is Tisha. We spoke yesterday. So I wanted to send you a video, just some tips on how to rank higher on Google, increase your traffic to your website and revenue. I found your company while doing research of plumbers in your area. So today we'll be discussing three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So first, content is anything that can be found within your website. So any words you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. So in order to increase your ranking on through Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having increasing the content, you are able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are words that are typed in this search engine through Google. This is how a person would find your company based on a service you provide or the type of company. So that would also increase the number of people coming to your website. The next would be citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, this could be through Angie's List, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, local directories, for example. So the more citations you have, the more people are able to find your website. The goal is to have more citations than your competitor. Now, when I Googled in plumbers in Oakland, this is the information I found. So the first here would be the pay-per-click advertisements here. So companies are paying to be in this area. The next will be our map pack. Now, this is really important to be in this area. Generally, someone will go directly over to the companies listed here to their website or call them. So it's good that you're listed here. The next will be the organic search. So we see here, so we have Yelp. The first company that appears will be Albert Naaman Plumbing. So that would be your number one competitor. Then we have Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Angie's List, and then you're ranking number 7. So the goal would be to outrank all of these that I just mentioned. Next, we'll go ahead and look at the website for Albert Naaman. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, so this is their website. So they are utilizing quite a bit of content here. So our next tool that we're going to use is called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a tool that shows us how your website is doing. It is not 100% accurate, but it still does give us an idea. So I see that you have 335 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. Not all backlinks are the same, so we want to make sure you have quality backlinks. The goal in mind is to have more backlinks than your competitor. One thing we can look at is what type of backlinks they have, how it's ranking, and build those same backlinks for yourself to help you rank higher. I'm showing that you have 297 keywords. This is bringing about 354 people to your website, bringing in $9,000 of revenue per month. And let's take a look at the keywords. So this is what people are typing in to get you or find your company. Commercial plumbing company, you're in number 1 position. Plumbers in Oakland, emergency plumbing Oakland, plumbers in Oakland, plumbers Berkeley, plumber emergency near me, of course your company name, call the plumber, sewer repair Oakland. So these are just some that or how people are actually finding your business. So you're ranking pretty good when it comes to that. Next, we'll look at Albert Naaman Plumbing. So they have 1,800 backlinks. They're using 1,600 keywords, bringing in about 801 people to their website per month and generating 13,000 in revenue. And then here are some of their keywords. So garbage disposal repair, plumbers Oakland, tankless water heater maintenance, plumbers Alameda, plumbers Richmond, water boiler repairs, plumber Berkeley. So these are just some of the just give you an idea of the keywords that they're using. Okay, and again, we can always look at some that they're using that you're not utilizing and build that within your website. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips for yourself. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, my number is 916-410-6863. I would like to hear from you either way. So please provide some feedback of the tips I provided. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a good day.